Do you sell a product and you're utilizing Facebook Live, or you want to use Facebook Live to sell your products online? Are you struggling to get sales, or you're not sure how to increase the engagement? Well, I've got strategies that I can share with you to have your viewers sitting on the edge of their seat with anticipation with what is going to happen next during your live. Now, these formulas and strategies that I've put together work. I have personally, in a 3-hour live, made over $3,000, and my clients usually make anywhere between sort of $200, $300, all the way up to over $1,000 in a 1-hour live broadcast, using these step-by-step formulas and strategies that I've used to really get people to sit on the edge of their seat and really super excited about your live. So I'll be sharing with you how to take orders during your lives, how to track inventory so it's not too confusing, and you can then simply take that information and quickly invoice your clients at the end, because we need that money, right? How to also collect their information before they even shop with you. So not only will it make it easier for invoicing, but you'll also be growing your email list, because the fortune's in the email list and the follow-up systems, right? So even if people don't buy, you'll have a way to reach out to people by growing that email list. I'll also show you strategies on how to increase viewers and interaction during your live. I'll be giving you swipe files of forms that I use to get people to register, plus how to get future bookings and how to entice people to have their own online exclusive shopping experience. So if you want to take the guesswork out of how to run a live and just follow these simple to follow strategies, then I've decided to run a 2-hour live workshop where you can join me live. I will go through all of the steps that I use. I will show you all of my formulas and systems that I put together to go live, including how to use Be Live to work smarter and not harder by having text rolling across the bottom of the screen so you don't have to keep repeating yourself throughout the live. So if you're interested in jumping on into this live workshop, it is a one-time only deal that I'm going to be running this live workshop. If you choose to join me, you'll be able to ask me questions, but if you can't join me live, it's still a pretty good investment, because you will be able to have access to the replay for life. So this product is only going to be $47 available to you for this one-time only deal, because I've had a waiting list of one-on-one clients wanting to learn these strategies, and I thought, hey, share the love, let's do it as a group, let's do it together. I will even set up a private Facebook group where you can all jump in and share your successes from using these proven strategies and formulas. If you want to join me, click that button, and I look forward to spending 2 hours with you, sharing with you how to go live with confidence, hey, and make a little bit of a cha-ching on the side, right? Have a good day. Never let anyone dull your sparkle.